So for today's video, I am going to teach you how to change currency on Amazon app. So the process is fairly simple, but make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So first things first, what you need to do is to simply head over to your Amazon app on your device, and then just make sure that you're currently logged into your account. So make sure that is the account that you want to change the currency on, and then once you have done that, from your homepage, just go to your profile. So it is this section right here, and once you are in there, just locate this flag right here. Just tap onto that, and then you will be able to see three sections right here: the countries, the region, language, and the currency. So tap into the currency section, and there you go. You will be able to have different options. So just pick whatever currency that you want to use in your Amazon app. I'm going to select US dollars and hit done when you are done with it. And after a few seconds, the changes should be applied in your app. And as simple as that, you already change the currency on your Amazon app. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.